This phone is freaking heavy, man. Uh, okay, welcome back to a new video, guys. As you can see, we're doing something very different today. I managed to get myself a head strap as well as a chest strap to do POV shots, which we will be doing today. No, it's been a while since we've made a video, and today is going to be a very different type of video. It's going to be a photography type of YouTube video, something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and we're finally gonna get to do it now because I've got this head strap and chest chest strap. It also brings opportunities to do POV driving if you go on runs and such like that. Yeah, so we are going to, it's called the Old School Meat. It's at Industry Bakery in Sunny Hill. It is like a charity type of thing, so we are gonna go stop at a Checkers or something of the sort just to get something which I can donate for, and then we are going to go take pictures. It's been a while since I've touched my camera, and when I say a while, it's been many moons. I'm gonna have to warm up to it, get into the vibe again, and since it's been many moons and I'm doing a video about it, I'm also gonna have to warm up in the editing again. It's been a really long time. There might be more videos like this in the future and less of the car build, just for a little while, because I have moved into a new place. I've got my own space, and a lot of money had to get splashed. So in the recouping phase, so with the car, nothing big except maintenance and just looking after the car for a while. And we're gonna probably try to go to a lot more car things, car meets, and do more of these photography type videos. Oh, look at that. That's probably going to the meet. Hope you guys can see that. That's pretty. I like yellow cars, man. Oh no, exhaust 6 is diverted. Hey yo! Yes, what are you doing, man? I don't know if she was looking at a phone or something. There's a red box shape in front of us, E30. Not sure if this is the one on air. I think this one is on air. It's a pretty looking beer. Okay, I'm gonna try open the windows. I have the wind protector on the mic, so I wanna test that out as well. Hope it's decent. God, I hate it when people drive so close to my rear bumper. Like, bro, are you trying to sniff or what? God, it's annoying. I don't know if this mic is picking up. The sound in this BM is quite good. It's playing the tracks. Some pretty bikes, yeah? I feel like, yeah, this is... I feel like this place is busy already. Said started at 12. It's 10 past 12 right now.
What's happening?
Hi, Uncle D.
Welcome, man. It's full up there on top. There's only selected cars that Mo's gonna let through, right?
Okay, no
so you guys
stress.
can park here, or there's an underground parking as well.
Okay, no stress.
Right.
Thank you.
No, that is
Okay, so I'm gonna clear up some space off my phone and put you guys on my chest. Yeah, so apparently the only letting cars on top that are chosen or whatever, which is kind of odd because it's promoted as a meet. So from what I know, a meet should be people parking their cars and yeah, talking and stuff. Okay, so to the main point of this video, it's obviously photography. So I got it's a Canon EOS 600D, pretty old, entry-level stuff. I've been using this camera forever, nothing has changed. My first camera was a Nikon. I know Nikon's hated in the photography world, but it was an entry-level Nikon as well. Are you? Good. How's it, Jim? Yeah, so that is Mo, CarCandyInc. He is one of the, well, he's the organizer of this thing, I think. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, my first camera was a Nikon. Low light photography was friggin' nice. In terms of images, Canon trumps it, but obviously the best thing on the market right now is Sony. Sony is king. So yeah, it's been a while since I've taken pictures. Hopefully it comes out okay. Also, this camera is very old. My lens autofocus doesn't work, so we manual focus it. I know a lot of the professional photographers manual focus anyways, but that is what I deal with. It is a bit overcast today. I don't see why we can't. This bring up cars up here. I mean, I feel like my car looks better than a lot of those golf spots on the side here. But to each their own. I'll just take some pics and probably head out of here. I really can't tell if you guys can see the camera. It is a bit of an awkward angle. Oh, there's a ton of bikes here. I don't know too much about bikes except I like the ones that look nice. For example, what is this? S1000 RR. This is a pretty looking bike. I think I need to adjust the strap because I want to take pictures lower, but then you guys can't see. It's a nice looking bike, R6. I only know it's R6 because it has a sticker saying R6 on it. I think next time I must use the head strap for photography. But it's so awkward, man. It makes my hair look messed up. This is the BM we were following on the way here. Really hard to take pictures at a car show. So many people walking around. It's a really nice looking Volvo, very neat. It's a shame I don't have a polarizer. Very neat looking Golf on here. It's a GTI. It's a one of a kind to shock your mind.